I used to scroll through Pinterest, seeing all these gorgeous pins and thinking you had to have 1 million followers, a slick website, and maybe a secret marketing degree to make even $1 online. I was completely wrong. In fact, for the last few months, I've been making affiliate income every single week using a simple strategy that requires almost no followers to start, and you don't even need a website. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step method I use to earn affiliate income on Pinterest with way less effort than you'd think. By the end of this, you'll have the complete blueprint to do it too, even if you're starting from ground zero in 2025. This isn't some get-rich-quick fantasy, it's a real doable strategy for building an income stream online. Let's be real. The whole make money online world is often sold as this huge, intimidating mountain to climb. You hear about SEO, sales funnels, and building a massive brand, and it's enough to make you want to quit before you even start. The biggest myth, that you need to be some kind of big shot influencer to get a piece of the action. But what if I told you there's a platform with over 570 million monthly active users who aren't just scrolling but are actively looking for ideas and products to buy? That's Pinterest. Think of it less like a social media platform and more like a visual search engine. People go there ready to shop. In fact, an incredible 85% of weekly users have made a purchase based on pins they've seen from brands. The users on Pinterest are primed to buy. You don't have to twist their arm, you just need to be their guide. This guide is here to bust those myths and give you a clear, actionable path. We're going to break it all down into simple, manageable steps so you can go from zero to earning your first affiliate commission. Okay, first things first, before you can make a dime, you have to set up your account the right way. And this part, it's a must-do. You can't do this effectively with a personal account. You need a free Pinterest business account. This unlocks critical features like analytics, the ability to claim your website if you have one, and ad tools you might want later. It's free and takes about 2 minutes. Now, for the most important part of this whole thing, choosing your niche. A niche is just the topic you're going to focus on. Please don't just pick something you think will make money. Choose something you're actually interested in because you'll be creating a lot of content around it. Profitable niches that kill it on Pinterest include home decor, fashion, fitness, parenting, and DIY crafts. The secret is to get specific. Instead of just fitness, why not yoga for beginners? Instead of home decor, you could own small apartment organization hacks. The more specific you are, the easier it is to build an audience that actually trusts your recommendations. Spend some time just browsing Pinterest. Use the Pinterest Trends tool, see what's popular, and find a corner where you feel you can add real value. Once your business account and niche are locked in, it's time for the fun part. Finding products to promote. This is the affiliate in affiliate marketing. You're basically getting paid a commission to be a salesperson for products you love. You'll want to join affiliate networks. These are giant marketplaces that connect you with thousands of brands. Some of the best for beginners are Share a Sale, Arwin, and CJ Affiliate. Amazon Associates is another huge one, and it's perfect when you're starting out because they sell, well, everything. When you're picking products, think visually. What would look amazing in a photo or a short video? A sleek kitchen gadget is way easier to promote on Pinterest than, say, tax software. Find products that solve a problem for your audience. If your niche is small apartment organization, look for clever storage solutions or cool space-saving furniture. Here's a crucial tip. Always check the affiliate program's rules. Some brands have restrictions on where you can post their links. You have to make sure they're cool with you promoting on Pinterest. Most are, but it's on you to double check so you don't get booted from a program. This is where the strategy kicks in. There are 2 main ways to post affiliate links on Pinterest. One is perfect for getting started right now, and the other is the pro-level standard for building something that lasts. First up, path A, the direct link method. This is how you do affiliate marketing on Pinterest without a website. Yep, you heard that right. Pinterest is one of the few places left that lets you put a raw affiliate link straight into a pin. So here's the play-by-play. You create a pin, a great-looking image or video. When you upload it, there's a field for a destination link. You just paste your unique affiliate link right there. When someone clicks your pin, they go straight to the product page, and if they buy, you get a commission. Simple. However, and I can't say this enough, you must disclose that it's an affiliate link. This is a rule from both Pinterest and the FTC. Just add a hashtag like #affiliate, #ad, or #sponsored to your pin's description. Being transparent builds trust and keeps your account safe. Now for Path B, the bridge page method. This is the strategy most serious marketers use, and it's what you should aim for in the long run. Instead of linking directly to the product, you link to a simple web page you control, which then links to the affiliate product. This middle step is your bridge page. This could be a simple landing page, or even better, a blog post. For example, instead of one pin linking to one kitchen gadget, you could write a post called 10 game-changing gadgets for my small kitchen. In that article, you review each gadget and drop your affiliate links for all 10. Then you can create dozens of different pins, all driving traffic back to that single blog post. So why is this better? Well, first, it builds massive trust. You're giving value and context, not just shoving a sales page in their face. Second, it gives you more chances to make a sale, since they might like several products you recommend. And most importantly, it lets you build an email list, the single most valuable asset you can have online. Your success on Pinterest all comes down to the quality of your pins. It's a visual platform, so your content has to be a scroll stopper. But don't sweat it, you don't need to be a graphic design pro. Tools like Canva are a total game changer. They have tons of pre-made Pinterest templates you can tweak in minutes. Here are the golden rules for a killer. Pin first, go vertical. The best pin size is a 2:3 ratio, like 1000 by 1500 pixels. This takes up the most space on a phone screen. Second, use high-quality visuals. Make sure to use crisp, clear images or videos. Video pins are especially great for grabbing attention fast. Third, add a text overlay. Slap a headline right onto your pin, something like 5 ways to organize your pantry or the perfect fall outfit. It instantly tells people what the pin is about. And finally, brand your pins. Stick to consistent colors and fonts. Over time, people will start to recognize your style in their feed. And don't just make one pin per product. Create a bunch of different pins for every product or blog post you promote. Try different images, headlines, and descriptions. Test everything and see what works. That's how you get the most eyeballs on your stuff. Making a great pin is only half the work. You need to make sure people actually find it. This is where Pinterest SEO comes in. When you upload a pin, you have to use keywords to tell the algorithm what it's about. Do some keyword research. Just type things into the Pinterest search bar and see what suggestions pop up. Those are the exact phrases people are searching for. Sprinkle these keywords in your pin title, description, and on your board names. Write a juicy description that not only uses keywords, but also makes someone want to click. Ask a question, promise a solution, and always have a call to action like, click to see more. And of course, don't forget your #affiliate disclosure. Finally, consistency is the magic ingredient. You can't just post 5 pins and wait for the cash to roll in. Aim to post a few new, fresh pins every single day. This tells the Pinterest algorithm that you're an active creator, and it'll start showing your content to more and more people. So let's recap the blueprint. First, build your foundation with a Pinterest business account and a solid niche. Second, hunt down great affiliate products your audience will actually want. Third, pick your path, direct linking to Start Fast or the bridge page method to build a long-term asset. Fourth, create a non-stop stream of beautiful, eye-catching pins. And finally, optimize everything with good SEO and stay consistent. This isn't going to happen overnight. It takes time and consistent effort to get traction. But the amazing thing about Pinterest is that your pins have an incredibly long shelf life. A single pin you make today can keep driving traffic and sales for months or even years, creating a truly passive income stream. The idea that you need a huge following or a fancy website to get started is just a myth. You now have the exact, simplified framework that actually works. The only thing standing between you and your first commission is taking that first step. So start today. Pick your niche, create your first pin, and get the ball rolling. You've got everything you need.